Hello friends, welcome back. In the previous session, we come to know that what are programming paradigms, syntax and semantics, brief history of Python, and why the name Python. Well, today's objective is how to install Python, features of Python, features borrowed from other languages, and limitations of Python. First of all, how to install Python. You know guys, installing Python is not a big deal. You have to download it from python.org and then simply follow the wizard. I highly recommend to install the latest version of Python 3, which also provides support for setting the path environment variable in Windows environment. If you still face some problem, then contact us and we will help you as much as possible. Alright, now features of Python. First, Python is very easy language. It is easy to code and understand. Just let me show you an example. Idle, open. Yes, I will display this message. That's it. For displaying a message like this, in languages like C, C++, or Java, you have to develop a code of at least 3 to 4 lines. But in Python, it is a single line code. That's it. Now back to the slides. Python is a high level language. Python is portable and platform independent. Platform independent means that the program can run on any operating system, but it needs the virtual machine to be installed on the target operating system. Before discussing the portability, I want to put eyes on architecture neutral. It means the program can run on any processor. It avoids rebuilding problem. Portability. A programming language is said to be portable if it is both platform independent and architecture neutral. Python is a dynamic language. It means the data type for a variable is decided at runtime. Just a minute. Here is my idle and I have created these examples for the previous session. I will use them again. Here I have declared a variable a and stored a value 10 in it. Now the type of a is, oh shit, I got a typo. Type of a, again I got a typo here. Now the variable a is of int type. Again store some different values, say float. Now the type of a is float type. It's clear from these two examples that the data type is decided at runtime. Okay, back to the slides. Python is free and open source. Free softwares are those softwares which satisfy the following conditions: the freedom to run the program, you are allowed to study the source code and change it, you are free to redistribute, and freedom to distribute your own version. Whereas open source is all about providing source code. It has nothing to do with free softwares. But most of the open source softwares are free. For buying a license of an open source software, you may have to pay a lot. One such an example is MySQL Server. If you are running MySQL Server on your personal laptop or PC, then you have to pay nothing. But once you have decided to commercialize your product, you may have to cost up to 60,000 bucks. Just a minute. Here is the cost of MySQL Server licenses. Alright, now back to the slides. Okay, Python is interpreted. Python is both procedure oriented and object oriented. Everything in Python is an object. Python is extensible. Due to this feature, one can use other language program in Python. By extensibility, performance got improved, but platform independence may be compromised. Python is embedded. You are allowed to use Python programs in other languages like C++, Java, etc. Features borrowed from other languages. Well, it's most of the syntax is borrowed from C and ABC language. You may not have heard about ABC language because it's not that much popular. OOFs borrowed from C++. A lot of people think that OOFs feature is borrowed from Java. But actually, Python was first commercially launched in 1991 and that Java came into the picture in 1995. Scripting language features from Perl and shell script. Functional programming from C language. And modular programming from Modular 3. Limitations of Python. It does not provide support for mobile applications yet. Also, performance is low as compared to C or C++. Thanks for watching. Now, before you leave, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Cheers.